But if you fail to do this, you will be sinning against the Lord, and you may be sure that your sin will find you out. Numbers 32 verse 23. My wife and I were driving on an expressway when we saw a driver turn left into a median turnaround that was intended for emergency vehicles only. He was planning to make a U-turn and head back the other way. Looking to his right, the driver waited for an opening in oncoming traffic. So he failed to notice that a police car was backing up toward him on his left. Finally seeing an opening in traffic, the U-turn driver pulled out and rammed into the back of the police car. It's not unusual for us to think we can get away with doing something wrong. After King David committed adultery with Bathsheba, he too was focused on getting away with it. But he was on a collision course with Nathan. His adultery, deceit, and murder displeased the Lord, 2 Samuel 11 verse 27. So when Nathan exposed David's grievous sin, the king was deeply remorseful. He confessed, repented, and received God's forgiveness. But the consequences of his sin never departed from his household. If you've been trying to get away with something, remember that your sin will find you out, Numbers 32 verse 23. Turn yourself into God. Don't hide. Instead, seek His gracious forgiveness. God knows all you've through or done, from Him you cannot hide. Confess to Him and He'll forgive, through Christ the crucified.